This is our third practice with Arduino and we are going to explain it.
Okay, so basically we did this. Firstly, we activate our buttons. We specify what are each one. Our upper button, that is the button that we will press. Our sensor pod, that is the sensor that we move to increase or decrease our beats per millisecond, and our LED with each color. Then we validate our setup. We start with serial beginning equal to 9,600 beats per millisecond, and we activate our LEDs and our button with the blue, the red, and the green LED. Then our loop, that is when really start our program, is easy. We activate the serial printing, the sensor pod, that is as I said, is the one that regulates the beats. And when the beats are less than 300 beats per millisecond, the blue LED will turn on. But we have to specify that the green and the red LED has to turn off, because it will be each color turn on at the same time, and we'd make another color. When the button is pressed, we have to turn on a different color. So basically what we did is turn on the red and the blue color, and the green one we turn off. That's to do the color that the teacher specified. Then we did quite the same, but we use a different range. When it's high than 300 and less than 600, we turn on the red LED and turn off the other LEDs. And when the button is pressed, we turn on the red and the green LED to make another color. Also, we have to turn off the blue LED to do the color that the teacher specified. And at the end, we did the same thing, but when the amount of bits is higher than 600, we turn on the blue and the red LED, we turn off the green LED, and when the button is pressed, we turn on the green and the blue LED to do the color that the teacher specified.
In this Arduino, I did technically the same as my classmate did in his program. I started validating my variables. I named the LEDs and I established the connection of the pin. Then I wake up the blue LED, the red one, and the green one, and I activate a sensor pod and I establish the range in which the numbers must be. So if the sensor pod mark a number lower than 300, the color that will be turned on is the red one. And if I press the button while is the red color turned on, I will obtain a color that the professor already established. And it's important to keep turn off the other LEDs, so in this way we are not gonna have a mix of colors that we don't want. Then if the sensor pod mark a number between 300 and 600, I will obtain the green one. I mean the green LED is gonna be turned on. And if I press the button, well, I'm going to obtain the other color that the professor established. And also here I need to keep off the other LEDs. And finally, I establish the last range of numbers. That means that if the sensor pod mark a number higher than 600, the LED that is gonna be turned on is the blue one. So if I press the button while this LED is turned on, I will obtain the color that the professor established. And also here I need to keep turn off the other LEDs to not obtain a different